Introducing the DS-1630 flatbed color document scanner from Epson. Ideal for scanning when you need the flexibility to quickly scan bound materials or stacks of documents. A 50-page auto document feeder with auto duplex scanning makes it easy to scan stacks of documents. Scan a variety of sizes, from photo IDs to passports and certificates. Twain and ISIS drivers come included for seamless compatibility with existing software. Scan directly to Dropbox, SharePoint, FileBound, Google Drive, Evernote, and more to easily scan and share important documents. Create searchable and editable files with Epson Document Capture and the included OCR applications. Use auto crop, skew correction, and color enhancement on any scan for clear text and images. Share the scanner with multiple users across the network using the optional Network Interface Unit. Streamline workflows and increase productivity with the new versatile DS-1630 document scanner. Only from Epson. Epson, exceed your vision. Introducing the fast, compact DS-530 Color Duplex Document Scanner from Epson. A perfect solution that combines speed, convenience, and reliability. It features fast scan speeds and one-pass duplex scanning for increased productivity. Twain and ISIS drivers come included, so it's compatible with existing document management systems. Easily scan documents to Dropbox, SharePoint, Evernote, FileBound, Google Drive, and more, making it simple to scan, share, and send documents. The DS-530 offers advanced scanning features like dynamic skew correction and ultrasonic double feed detection to prevent missing pages. Use the double feed detection button to easily resume scanning jobs without the need to rescan the entire stack of documents. Easily scan stacks of documents, business cards, single sheets, and other items of different sizes with its 50-page auto document feeder. Plus, with the purchase of the optional flatbed scanner dock, you can scan thick or oversized originals like cardboard and passports. Use the slow speed button for those delicate, thin, or wrinkled documents to prevent tears. It includes OCR software for generating searchable PDFs or scanning into editable formats. Use the auto crop, blank page, and background removal for clear and precise document quality. Share the scanner with multiple users across the network using the optional Network Interface Unit. Delivering world-class performance at a significant value. The DS-530 Color Duplex Document Scanner, the intelligent choice for document management. Only from Epson. Epson, exceed your vision.
Introducing the powerful, compact Workforce ES-400 Color Duplex Document Scanner from Epson. A perfect home or office solution for easy organization. It features fast scan speeds for quick two-sided scanning, capturing both sides in just one pass. Scan directly to Dropbox, SharePoint, Google Drive, and Evernote in a breeze to share and organize documents. Turn paper documents into searchable, editable files with included OCR software. Scan stacks of papers, business cards, extra long pages, and more everyday documents with its robust 50-page auto document feeder. The included Twain driver allows for a seamless connection to most any document management software, so you're free to choose what you use. The ES-400 features intelligent color and image adjustments, including auto crop, dynamic skew correction, removal of blank pages, and more. It's custom designed to handle important documents. Use the new slow speed button for those delicate, thin, or wrinkled documents to prevent tears. Use the double feed detection skip button to resume scanning jobs without the need to rescan the entire stack of documents. Share the scanner with multiple users across a network using the optional Network Interface Unit. Delivering a powerful performance with a compact design, scan, save, and organize data from wherever business takes you. The Workforce ES-400 Color Duplex Document Scanner. Epson. Exceed your vision.
Introducing the versatile, compact Workforce ES-200 portable duplex document scanner from Epson. A great solution to staying organized efficiently, whether you're in the office, at home, or on the go. It delivers the fastest scan speeds in its class. It scans two-sided documents, business cards, receipts, and more using single-step technology. Get rid of those piles of paper and get organized. Quickly and easily scan stacks of up to 20 pages at a time with the auto document feeder. Plus, it's easy to scan plastic ID cards using the designated front feeding slot by switching the mode selector to Card Feeder. Let the scanner do the rest. It's convenient and portable and can be powered with AC power, or, if there's no outlet, USB power from your computer. Using the included Epson ScanSmart software, scan, save, and organize documents the way you like. Email or upload to cloud storage services such as Dropbox, Evernote, and Google Drive. This small, full-featured scanner includes built-in Nuance OCR for creating searchable PDFs and editable Word and Excel files. The built-in Epson image processing technology offers intelligent color and image adjustments for clear and crisp text and images. It features auto crop, skew correction, blank page, and background removal to save the files the way you want. The Workforce ES-200 includes a powerful software suite and Twain driver, allowing for easy connection to most document management software. The fast, portable, compact scanner is perfect for wherever business takes you. The Workforce ES-200 Portable Duplex Document Scanner, only from Epson. Epson, exceed your vision.
Introducing the fast, easy-to-use Workforce ES-500W wireless color duplex document scanner from Epson. The perfect wireless solution for every small business. Scan documents wirelessly to a smartphone, tablet, PC, or Mac using the Epson Document Scan app. With the intuitive Epson ScanSmart software, scan directly to cloud storage services, including Dropbox, Google Drive, and Evernote, plus you'll save time with previewing, emailing, and uploading. This powerful scanner features fast speeds and two-sided scanning, making it simple to get organized. Easily turn paper documents into searchable, editable files with the included OCR, optical character recognition. Quickly scan stacks of papers with its robust 50-page auto document feeder. Scan a variety of documents, from business and ID cards to single sheets, extra long pages, and more. Twain driver is included for compatibility with most any document management software for seamless connectivity. You're free to choose what you use. Use auto crop, blank page, and background removal for clear and precise document quality with Epson image processing technology. And this scanner features dynamic skew correction. Use the new slow speed button for delicate, thin, or wrinkled documents to prevent tears. Handle important documents with a reliable paper feeding system. Ultrasonic double feed detection prevents missing pages. Use the double feed detection skip button to easily resume scanning jobs without the need to rescan the entire stack of documents. This compact scanner offers superior performance at a great value. The Workforce ES-500W wireless color duplex document scanner delivers powerful scanning, connectivity, and flexibility. Only from Epson. Epson. Exceed your vision.
The Epson Workforce ES-50 and ES-60W mobile document scanners are small and ideal for easy on-the-go scanning. These scanners are the fastest and lightest mobile single-sheet fed document scanners in their respective classes. The ES-60W features wireless scanning at a groundbreaking speed. Scan a single page in as fast as 4 seconds. Wirelessly scan critical documents to a PC, Mac, iOS, or Android device with the ES-60W for increased efficiency. The ES-50 is USB powered, giving you the option to connect to your computer. No batteries or external power supply is required. Scan documents as large as 8.5 inch by 72 inches or as small as ID cards and receipts. And with the Epson ScanSmart software, you can easily scan, review, and save documents. ScanSmart includes built-in Kofax OCR to create searchable PDFs and editable Word and Excel files. Experience the convenience of scanning files directly to online storage accounts. A Twain driver is included for seamless integration with virtually any imaging software. Plus, it's Windows and Mac compatible. The scanners feature an automatic feeding mode that makes it simple to combine multi-page scans into one file. The scanners automatically accept each new sheet as it's inserted. The Workforce ES-50 and ES-60W mobile document scanners are smart solutions for an efficient workspace. Epson, exceed your vision.
Introducing the new DS-970 and DS-870 Color Duplex Workgroup Document Scanners from Epson. These fast, reliable, and robust desktop scanners are the ideal scanning solution for busy work groups in large departments or high-traffic small offices. With scan speeds up to 65 and 85 pages per minute for single-pass duplex scanning, you'll get stacks of documents scanned and saved in no time. The scanner's versatile paper handling capabilities make it easy to scan a variety of items, like ID cards, single sheets, long documents, and more. Your busy office will experience increased efficiency due to the speed and dependability of these scanners. The scanner's color LCD display and convenient buttons make it easy to manage user-defined jobs, adjust settings, or change modes. Epson's advanced paper feed technology helps prevent scanning errors with features like double feed detection and paper protection. And for old or wrinkled receipts or documents, there's the slow speed mode to help ensure your delicate sheets are scanned properly. They have a 100-page automatic document feeder, and the DS-970 offers a peak daily duty cycle of up to 9,000 sheets, so no job is too big for these scanners. Scan passports or other thick items by pairing an Epson flatbed photo scanner using the optional flatbed dock, and run both scanners with one driver. You can even share the scanner with your entire work group across a network with the optional network interface unit. Easily adapt these scanners to your workflow with the included Twain and ISIS drivers. You are covered with Epson's industry-leading support, including a 3-year limited warranty and advanced exchange program with next business day shipping, so there's minimal downtime and impact to your business. These Epson scanners are fast, reliable, and robust, designed to increase productivity in your business. Epson, exceed your vision.